If you want to learn how to make a simple click detector like this, well, you're at the right place. Also, if you watch till the end, there's a little bonus on how to make it so you can only click it every 3 seconds. Enjoy the video! Alright, before we get started with this video, our words of encouragement for today are Keep It Up by XX Thunder. Thank you, XX Thunder. So now we just want to put in the part that we are going to be using our click detector for. For this, I'm just going to be using a regular part. Right click it, press insert object. You want to put in a click detector, and you also want to do the same thing for a script. This is going to manage our click detector. So what we want to do first, we want to basically do a shortcut, you can call it that, to the click detector. So instead of for each line we're writing script.parent.clickDetector, and it's going to get so long. So instead of that, we can just define it once and then just call in that one word. So we're going to call it CD for click detector. Local CD equals script. This is calling on the script instead of like the workspace, the terrain, dot parent, dot click detector. Instead of doing that, we want to make sure there's no bugs, so we can just do this. We can do wait for child and then put click detector in here. This waits for it to load before it runs any functions, so we'll make sure it doesn't break. Then what we want to do, we want to write CD, this calls our click detector, mouse click, connect, this gets it when it's clicked, and then we want to do function. This basically means when the mouse is clicked on this click detector, which is coming from this, it runs this function. We can go ahead and press enter, and it already makes this for us. So we can just write here print brick clicked. So now we can go ahead into our place. We can press play here, and this should work. So once we press this, we go boop, brick clicked. So that's working perfectly. We can do it as many times as we want. But what if we actually want it to be able to be clicked like once every 3 seconds? How are we going to do that? Well, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So what we want to do, we want to make a bool value. Basically what this is it's like a true or false statement. So we're going to just call it CC for like can click. So CC equals true because we want it to start out letting them click it. So what we want to do, we want to make an if-then statement. So basically what this is, it's like saying if it's raining outside, then bring an umbrella or something. So if CC equals true, 2 equal signs means it compares, 1 means it sets it to that. Like if it was just 1, it would change a C to true. So then if CC equals true, then we want it to print brick clicked. So now we want to change it so every 3 seconds. So now after it prints brick click, we're going to do CC equals false, wait 3, this waits 3 seconds, and then we can just go ahead and set CC the true again. And then just for good measure, we can add an else statement and do print, please wait. And now if we go ahead and head into our game, and we can see if we click this brick, it's going to say brick clicked. And now we try to click it again, please wait, brick click. And this does it every 3 seconds. And that's basically how you make a simple click detector. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!